और बताओ बच्चों, मैं 2-3 दिनों के बाद आपको लाइव वीडियो बना के आज भेज रहा हूँ। आज आपका 28 नवंबर है और बहुत अच्छी टॉपिक मैंने कलेक्ट किया है, जिसका पहले से फर्स्ट यू स्टडी अबाउट दिस चैप्टर हियर, redox reaction. Your chapter is redox reaction, and one topic is very important for the balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method. This is a very simple method, and you study about ion electron method. In the I give the many examples for the ion electrons method for the balancing redox reaction. But today I explain and giving the methods of how can you balance redox reaction with the help of oxidation number method. Student, you know about the oxidation number method, and simply suppose that this is your redox reaction. This is your redox reaction, and this is unbalanced redox reaction. This is unbalanced redox reaction. Then first of all, you start the calculation of oxidation number of each element. Calculation of oxidation number of each element by the algebraic system here. And first you calculate in the magnet ion. This is your magnet ion, MnO4 negative. This is MnO4 negative, and calculate the oxidation number of manganese here, and you see +7 here. The oxidation number of manganese is +7. Then +7 put on the power here, and iron. This is the ferrous ion here, ferrous ion, and this is H ion, means this is the symbolic function of acidic medium. H ion means acidic medium, and this is a magnet ion here. Manganese ion here, manganese ion, and this is the ferric ion. This is the water. And first you are found. This is your MnO4 negative convert Mn double plus, and Fe2 positive convert in Fe3 positive. Means here the change of oxidation number decreases, means +5 decreases, and the change of oxidation number increases, plus 1 increases. Okay students, the first you compare on the both sides here. The decreases numbers multiply in increases, and increases number multiply in decreases components here. Then you multiply 5 with the iron here, and 1 in the MnO4 negative and Mn here, and this is your, you 5 multiply 5 double plus, 5 triple plus. But you compare in the both sides, the oxygen are not balanced. Here 4 number of oxygen, and here only 1 oxygen here, and another hydrogen is not balanced here. Then first you balance the oxygen with the help of water. Then where oxygen is 4, then you multiply 4 water here, because you know in the ion electron method oxygen is balanced by the with the help of water here. Then number of 4 oxygen, then this is a 4 water molecules here, and you know in the acidic medium the number of hydrogen atom is here 4 into 2, number of 8 hydrogen atom. Then 8 hydrogen atom, and in the left hand side only 1 hydrogen atom. Then use the multiplication method here. This is your 8H plus ion. Then student check your equation is balanced or not balanced. This is your redox reaction, balanced or not balanced. Then first of all, we know the IPSC systems and all international rules of the chemistry in this time and in the past time, about 100 years, suppose that. First of all, checkings of any redox reaction, comparing on the both sides of the atom charges. When the atom and charges are equal, then the redox reaction will be equal. This is a simple way here. Then here only you looking only one manganese atom here. Then first only one manganese atom here and 5 Fe, 5 Fe for 8 hydrogen, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen. Atoms are balanced in left and right hand side. Then after the balancing of atoms, then you check the ions. Ions are balanced or not balanced. Then this is 8 H positive and this is 5 into 2. 10 positive plus 8, 18 positive and 1 negative. Means the 18 positive, 1 negative, means total charges will be, total positive charges is plus 17 and 5 multiplied 3, 1 Fe having 3 positive charge, then 5 Fe having the 15 positive charge, then 15 positive charge plus 2 positive charge, the total charges is plus 70. The charge, this is your charge, this is your charge, charge are equal, the charge are equal. Then this is my balanced, this is balanced redox reaction. Okay. Today I give the one example. You starting the initially here balancing the redox reaction by the oxidation number method. Then you write the one examples of redox reaction. Then you comparing the oxidation numbers of both sides, left and right hand side, and you multiplied. Increases number is multiplied in a decreases component and decreases number multiplies a increases components here. Then you get sir and oxygen balanced by oxygen balanced by the water balanced by the oxygen balanced by water here and hydrogen balanced by also here chance and you checking all systems here. The student looking your good video and Super 20 classes is your channel. Subscribe here, a lot of subscribe.